In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily check screen time on an Android. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off, we need to open up settings. The best way to do that is just swipe down at your home screen and then tap at that gear. Once you are at settings, you need to scroll down all the way until you find digital well-being and parental controls. And that's where we can easily find our screen time for today. And if we tap at that graph here, it will show us average screen time for the selected time range. Here I currently don't have any data because I have brand new device and the data isn't collected yet. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.